Welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes Book Summary. Today we are going to explore the book, The 4-Hour Work Week, by Timothy Ferriss. It is a guide for entrepreneurs and individuals who want to achieve a lifestyle of freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. The author's main premise is that it is possible to escape the traditional 9-to-5 job and create a lifestyle business that generates income passively. The book is divided into 2 parts, Escape and Replace, and it covers a wide range of topics that help readers to achieve a 4-hour work week. In the first part, Escape, the author explains the concept of lifestyle design and how it can be used to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 job. He explains the importance of identifying and understanding your own values, goals, and desires, and how to align your work with them. He also introduces the idea of minimum viable income, MVI, which is the minimum amount of income that an individual needs to cover their basic expenses and live a comfortable lifestyle. The author encourages readers to identify their own MVI and to focus on reaching that income level through automated income streams and lifestyle design. He also provides tips on how to automate income streams and create a Muse, a low-maintenance business that generates income, and explains the concept of product ladder, which is a strategy for increasing income by offering different levels of products or services at different price points. A few examples of Muse mentioned by the author were, first, e-commerce, setting up an online store to sell products that can be drop-shipped, where the supplier ships the goods directly to the customer, or that you source yourself and store in a warehouse. This type of business can be automated by using software to handle inventory, shipping, and customer service. Second, affiliate marketing, partnering with a company to promote their products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This type of business can be automated by setting up a website or blog and using software to track sales and commissions. Third, online courses, creating an online course or ebook and selling it on a platform like Udemy, Skillshare, or your own website. This type of business can be automated by using marketing software to promote the course and using a payment processor to handle transactions. Fourth, podcast or YouTube channel. Creating a podcast or YouTube channel and monetizing it through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling products. This type of business can be automated by using software to schedule and publish episodes, as well as to track analytics and monetization. And lastly, royalties. Creating products that generate royalties, such as music, books, or software. This type of business can be automated by using a distribution platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or TuneCore. In the second part, Replace, the author explains how to replace the income from a traditional job with automated income streams. He covers topics such as how to outsource tasks to virtual assistants, how to use geo-arbitrage to live and work from anywhere in the world, and how to create a new rich, near lifestyle. The near lifestyle is characterized by having enough income from automated sources so one doesn't have to trade time for money, and have the freedom to do what one wants, when one wants, and where one wants. He also covers the importance of defining and guarding your own priorities, and how to use the 80-20 rule to maximize productivity and efficiency. In conclusion, The 4-Hour Work Week, by Timothy Ferriss, is a comprehensive guide for entrepreneurs and individuals who want to achieve a lifestyle of freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. It's a must-read for anyone looking to break free from the traditional work model and create a lifestyle that prioritizes freedom, flexibility, and personal growth. However, it's important to keep in mind that the 4-hour work week is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and the strategies outlined in the book may not be suitable for everyone, but the book provides a great starting point for entrepreneurs looking to improve their skills and build successful businesses.